Hello, market girl. Good morning. Hope you had a good night. How are you today? Hello, everyone. Good morning. As you join my live session, I welcome you. Hope you all have a good night. Section is really before you come. We are looking at page 111 text, please. Adekemi, good morning. ODM, Stylist. Hello, good morning, everyone. Yes, I had a good night. Hope you did too. Good morning, everyone. So we're starting almost immediately. The teaching chemist, good morning. Adekemi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen so we can have a larger audience and so we can start. Good morning, everyone. Wow, my first rose for the morning. Thank you, Mr. Michael, for the rose. Thank you, my first gifter for today. I'm grateful. So, all right, everyone, let's start. Just as we agreed yesterday night by the audience, we agreed to solve questions. Hello, Abu Mohammed on YouTube. Good morning. You're welcome to my live. Where we write down the question, audience solves, we check out who has the correct answer. Anyone who wants to contribute can come up. Just one person at a time, maximum of two because of the board. I don't know, this question looks like what we have done before, but I'm not so sure. The question seems Looks like a question we have solved before now. Maybe it's something just similar to it. 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter on the x. So say if Pn is perpendicular to QR, find the value of Tx. Guys, please let me know in the comment section if my board is very clear, please. Our intention is to solve a question as fast as we can, right? So here's the question. We have 5 options. Kindly solve the answer in the comment section. Guys, keep tapping on your screen so we have more audience, okay? Good morning, Nasa. You're welcome. Thank you for the follow. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. So my gifters, thank you everyone. Let's solve. Let's do this in 60 seconds, guys. Just the way we do it here. So let's solve in 60 seconds. Drop your answer. So we have PQ, 5 centimeter. We have PR, we have line PN has 3 centimeter, Q to R, 9 centimeter. I say PN, this is the line PN. If it's perpendicular to QR, we have to get the value for tan X. Hello, Cafe. Good morning. You're welcome. Thank you for the follow, Cecilia. Alright, guys. 60 seconds, 60 seconds. Let's do this. Please solve and drop your answer in the comments. Keep tapping on your screen, please. Don't forget to tapping. Keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. We have 40 seconds more to go. 40 seconds more. So this is going to be a 3-hour session, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you have your answer, can you drop your answer in the comments? Can you drop your answer so we see those that got it correctly? I'll be in the comments to check out for the answers. So we have 5 options. One of the options has the correct answer. Please don't use ChatGPT or any AI app to ask for the answer. Let's solve this together. That's the fun of it. Whether you are right or wrong, nobody is going to judge you. We are all here to learn and pass knowledge and gain from each other. So whatever your answer is, drop your answer in the comment section. If you want to come up and explain to us how to solve this, kindly let me know in the comment section and send me a request. If you want to come up and explain to us how to solve this, kindly let me know in the comment section you want to come up, and you can send a request. If you have your answer, kindly drop it in the comment section. Qn is equals to 4. Okay. Hello, Jennifer. Good morning. You're welcome. It's morning at my end here, though. Guys, keep tapping on your screen, please. Qn is equals to 4. Benny, is it 4 or 5? Which one is the answer you have? Is it 4 or 5? If you want to come up, kindly let me know if you want to explain this to the viewers. Benny, what do you mean 4 or 5? Because the answer we have is in form of a fraction. right? Or should I solve this? Marcus, you want to explain? Okay, send in an invite. Okay, let me check. Marcus, have you sent an invite? All right. Marcus wants to explain to us. Hello, everyone. Keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping. Hello, Mr. Marcus. Good morning. It's morning at my end. Fine, thank you. You're welcome. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, so now what you're trying to say, you should bring out triangle QPN. Okay. So the triangle, this is QPN. Okay, we can find QN. So since Q to R is 9, Q to R is 9 centimeter. So we need to get the value for QN. So QN will be equals to what? Okay, so we should use the formula for Pythagoras group. Okay, so if we get two correctly, we are using the Pythagoras rule, which is hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the opposites and the adjacents, right? Right? Okay. So this becomes 5 square is equal to 3 square, right? Plus the square of the adjacent. Okay, so we can call this Q square. Okay, it's okay. Alright. So 5 square gives us 25, equal to 3 square gives us 9, then plus Qn square, right? So this becomes 25 minus 9 is equal to Qn square, right? Sorry, so I have to be also speaking from time to time because I also have my audience on YouTube, so they will hear me speaking as well. So we did it together. So 25 minus 9 will give us 16. So we have 16 is equals to Qn square. So what we'll do to get the value of Qn is to take the square root of both sides. So that the square root cancels the square and Qn will be equal to the square root of 16 gives us 4. So we have the Qn as 4. Right, Mr. Marcos? Alright, so now we have the value for Qn. So okay. So Qn here we have. Alright. So the triangle is now complete. Yes, can we go on? Okay. Alright, so that means to get so that means to get the value for NR will be the whole of the line, which is QR minus QN, right? And QR is 9 minus, we've gotten the value for QN as 4. 9 minus 4 gives us 5, so this is 5. So that means we have NR to be equals to 5. How do you even know your answer is correct? If you sum the 4 and the 5, it gives you the whole line, which is the 9, right? Okay. Alright, Mr. Marcos, kindly go on now. So how do we get the value for tan x? Okay, so we have the value of tan as opposite over adjacent. Now we have the value of the opposite, which is what? Which triangle are we using? We are using triangle P. Are we using triangle PNR? Okay, so let's let the viewers know. Now to get the value for tan x, we are considering triangle, the second triangle PNR, so that they understand what we are doing. So the opposite now in this case is the 3, right? While the adjacent is the 5. So that means the value for tan x. Sorry, guys, look up. What we are looking for is tan x, not x. If you're looking for x, we are looking for tan x. There are two different questions. So what we are looking for is tan x. So the value for tan x is what? 3 over 5, and that happens to be option B, right? Mia, good morning. So those that got option B as the correct answer have it correctly. All right. So good job, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Marcos. We are grateful for the contribution. All right, guys, if you understand. Okay, Justice, you're welcome. You're welcome learning here. Bet you have the answer correctly. Okay. So, guys, if you, please, have they started Jambridge? My sister is writing. Yes, Jam registration has commenced. It has commenced. All right, guys, if you understand the solution, kindly tell me understood in the comment section so I can go to the next question. Kindly type understood in the comment section so I can go to the next one. So that I want everybody to be carried along. If you understood this solution, kindly type understood. Remember, today we are solving questions on trigonometry alone. Jam past questions on trig functions. That is what we are doing today. So if you understand, kindly type understood so we can move on to the next one. If you have any question as well, kindly drop your question in the comments. Kindly drop your question in the comments. If I cannot answer it, Mr. Marcos is here to help us. Any question? My WhatsApp contact is on my bio. Kindly check. This package 25. You're welcome. Good morning. Okay, somebody is asking, what if we are asked to find the value of x? So in this case, if you are asked to find the value of x, what do? Since tan x is equal to 3 over 5. If you have to find the value for x, all you have to do is to take tan inverse of 3 over 5. So the tan inverse of 3 over 5 will give us the value for x. Hello audience, who is telling me the answer? What's the tan inverse of 3 over 5? Papa, you're welcome. You are just starting. Just starting your review. Alright guys, so let's move on to the next one. In how many minutes are they expecting to answer this question? In 30 seconds I can answer this question. Regina, if you drop such comment again here, I'm going to give you a block. I'll block you. Regina is always coming to my life to drop such comments. I think she does that on so many pages. Math is not hard. Math is not hard. Move X. You shouldn't spend more than 60 seconds here. It took us this long because we had to explain so that the viewers understand what we're doing. But maximum 45 to 60 seconds we are. Can you take a screenshot of this? Can you take a screenshot? Can you take a screenshot of this and go to the solution? It's self-explanatory. So let's go to the next. Take a screenshot before I clear the board. If you have any question, drop your question and any point where you don't understand. Guys, give me a follow if this is your first time coming across my page. Yes, I do physics. I'll start physics. I'll let you guys know when I'll do physics. Big favor, instead of copying, please take a screenshot because of the time. Because of the time. Master Big Ben, good morning, you're welcome, sir. It's just the formula and follow. Yes, Emmy, you are right. Patrick, you are right. It's just the formula. Once you know the formula to Trig, to all of this, you're good to go. And how many formulas do you even use here? We only use two formulas, Pythagoras rule and the formula for times. Good morning, Master Big Ben. You're welcome. No, I don't do English. I do physics and chemistry, but chemistry is on my second page. I don't do art subjects. Namarachi, good morning. I only do maths, chemistry, physics, further maths. I don't do art subjects. I only do maths and science. So let's move on to the next question. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping on your screen. Okay? Don't forget. The more you tap, the more audience we have. So this is a 3-hour session. We're going to be ending at 12 p.m. all things being equal. So today we are solving questions, three past questions on that trigonometry. Okay, this is other trig identity. It says simplify the given expression 1 minus cos x plus 1 plus cos x. Okay, my second page is Aisha Bande calculations, the same name. Just add 2 or 3 at the back. You see the page. The same name. Just add 2 or 3. Alright. So guys, let's solve this together. Let's do this together. I'm using this my page to get more audience that will go to my chemistry page. So once I have more audience there, I know that if I will have audience that will be there for chemistry. So guys, let's solve this. Drop your answer in the comment section once you have it. We have 5 options. One of the options has the correct answer. Simplify the expression 1 square root of 1 minus cos x over 1 plus cos x. Thank you for the follow. If this is your first time, please give us a follow, please. Kindly repost this live. If you have a question, kindly drop your question. I'm here for you to answer your questions, okay? Alright guys, let's do this. Let's do this in 60 seconds. You know, maximum 60 seconds is what we have for each question. If you know any JAMB aspirant 2026, please tell them to come to my live. They have a whole lot to learn for free. Just with their data, they should just come and learn for free with your data. I'll be waiting. We have 40 seconds more. If you have your answer, can you drop your answer in the comments? If anyone who can solve this, you can say, let me know in the comments. If you can solve this, let me know in the comment that you can solve this. Then you send an invite. So you can come up and solve and explain to us. So I'm going to give us an hint for us to be able to get this correctly. This trig identity, to get the answer correctly, use this trig identity that says cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. If you use this, I think you should get the answer correctly. Guys, give me a follow if this is your first time coming across my page, please. It's a way of supporting me. I only do math and sciences. Anything accounting, anything art, I don't do it. Only math and sciences I do. Good morning, Commander. You're welcome. Who has the answer? If you have the answer, drop your answer. Nobody has dropped answer. Nobody has dropped answer. I'm waiting. Yes, I can tutor a boy. Man, kindly send me a tip. My WhatsApp contact is on my bio. Guys, don't forget, keep tapping, so we can get more audience. Keep tapping. Good morning, ma. I come live Monday to Friday. 9 a.m. in the morning to 12 p.m. Then in the night we come back 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. So we do 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours at night. And we started last week. Alright, ma'am. Alright, Madam LM. Alright, I've seen your message. Nife, good morning, you're welcome. I'm waiting for answers. Nobody has dropped answers. 5 to 6 hours in a day. That is the life we do every day on this page. We solve math and physics questions. Amolola, good morning, you're welcome. Mr. Marcos, your people are not dropping answers. Nobody is dropping answers to this question. Patrick, where is it? Patrick. Alright, sir. Give them clue. Let's see if they will be able to do it. Instead of using that method is an alternative method, which is also a shortcut method for those that are writing jam. But I actually want them to know how to solve an expression like this, assuming we do not have the options. Then the one you just explained now can come in as a backup. Do you understand? First, I want to. My intention is to first pass that knowledge to the audience on how to solve a problem. Then the second one, now to back it up, is to, since our concern here is jam, where we have just 60 seconds maximum to solve a particular question, then you can pick from the option and solve. Now let's assume we do not have options. Do you understand, sir? What if is an essay question without subjective? How do they go about it? Okay, let's do this together, guys. Then we'll try Mr. Marcos' method. Let's do this together for the sake of time. If I come across a question like this is 1 minus square root of 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta. This is what I will do. 1 minus cos x, sorry, I'm saying theta is x, minus 1 plus cos x. What I will do is I will take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply by the numerator and denominator. Hope we are all together. So this is what I'm going to do. So I will multiply this by the conjugate here is going to be 1 minus cos x, right? Over 1 minus cos x. This is what I do. The denominator is 1 plus cos x. The conjugate is going to be the one there. It's going to be the negative of it. That is 1 minus cos x. So what I will do next is I'm going to multiply that conjugate by the numerator and also the denominator. Right? So now at this point, now we're going to work with this. Let's have a rough work here. 1 minus cos x times 1 minus cos x. So let's do this. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus cos x will give me minus cos x. Minus cos x times 1 is minus cos x. Minus times minus is a plus. Cos x times cos x will give me cos square x, right? What is cos x times cos x, Mr. Marcos? Cos square x, right? Okay. Alright, so now I've simplified. Okay, this can also be written as 1 minus. Let me ask the audience so that I know I'm together, they are together with me. Audience, what is minus cos x minus cos x? And let's make the class interactive. Minus cos x minus cos x. What do we have? If I have just one person responding, no, not 2 cos x. No, that's not correct. Thank you, Kolawole. Thank you, Kolawole. And Emmy, thank you. So this is going to be minus 2 cos x plus cos square x, right? So now I've simplified this. What do I do now? I come back here and substitute, right? So the numerator now becomes 1 minus 2 cos x plus what? Cos square x over. Now let's simplify the denominator. Denominator is what? 1 plus cos x multiplied by 1 minus cos x. Now let's open this bracket. 1 times 1 gives me 1. 1 minus cos x gives me minus cos x, right? Then cos x times 1 is plus cos x. Plus times minus is a minus. Cos x times cos x will give me cos square x. So look at this. Minus cos x plus cos x what cancels out, right? So I'll be left with 1 minus what? Cos square x. So I'm going to substitute this here now. This becomes 1 minus what? Cos square x. So we have 1 minus 2 cos x plus cos square x all over 1 minus cos square x. If you understand up to this point, kindly type understood in the comment section so that I carry everybody along. I don't want to be going back and forth on just one question. You wrote already now. Some people are already saying they don't understand. I've not gone too far. Princess, let me know. Ever tell me what's your question? Drop your question. Ever tell me drop your question. Princess, what is it you don't understand? Let me know before I move on, please. What is your question? Okay. How did the sign came across in the question? I don't understand. Somebody just asked the question now and I don't seem to understand. Mr. Marcos, can you see a question that says from Queen? She said, how this sign came across in the question? No, okay. No, this is not part of the question. I only gave us a hint. This is an identity that says cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. It's an identity. It's a trig identity. I just gave it as a hint. Aridwani, what is it you don't understand? What is it exactly you don't understand? But because this is just the second step so far. Please, I won't carry everyone along. What is it you don't understand? Only beauty. 2026 is there because we are preparing for this year, 2026 exam. That's why you can see it there. Yes, I'm in the comment section. Please ask your question before I move on. Once I move on to this, I'll not go back to it. Patrick, you have solved it before. Okay. Okay. Can you explain from there? How did you get 1 minus 2 cos x plus cos square x? Mr. Marcos, the numerator. Hope I'm correct. Somebody is asking me how did I get 1 minus 2 cos x plus cos square x? Okay. Mr. Marcos, do you have an idea of what we should do next year? What do you think we can do here? Sir? Please, I need response. I need response. Guys, keep tapping on your screen so we have a larger audience. Who can tell me what can I do here? If you look at this, if I decide to rearrange this, look at this. This is 2 minus, let me bring this first. This is what? 2 minus what? 2 cos x minus what? Sine square x all over what? Sine square x. So what is common here? What should I cancel? LCM. Where is LCM coming from again? Yes, I'm factorizing. The Durag boy. Yes, you're correct. I think we can factorize. They will factorize 2. This work has been complicated. Complicated from what point? Ronald, you have not been speaking up since. Now that's why I say you guys should speak up. If there's any idea you have, bring it up. We can factorize 2 from here. If you factorize 2 from here, this becomes 2, open bracket. So if you factorize 2 from 2, we have 1 minus, factorize 2 from 2 cos x. What do we have? We have cos x minus what? Sine square x all over what? Sine square x. So this is what we have. 2 open brackets, 1 minus cos x, close bracket minus sine square x over sine square x. What can we do here? Okay. Chili Ven says factorize and simplify the up and the down, then balance the equation. Okay, so what can we do now at this point? We cancel out sin x. Is it possible? No, Queen, we can't cancel out sin x because we have minus sin x at the top. Below here we have sin x. Can we cancel out sin x? That's not sin x, that is sine square x, right? That is sine square x, sine square x, sine square x. No. We can't cancel out. Are we going to apply indices? No, we're not applying indices. Thank you for the follow. Please, this is what I should have been. This is what should have been done. Ronald, do you want to come up and tell us? We can't cancel. Ronald, do you want to come up and tell us what you think we should do? Ronald, what are we replacing? I want ideas from the audience so that we do this together. I don't want it to be like I'm the only one doing the talking. My class is not like that. I talk with my audience. I talk with my students. Bring your ideas up. Yes, Ronald, I can make you join. Okay, somebody says sine square x is 1 minus cos square x. I'm lost from the rearrangement. Okay, you don't know how to join. Okay, well, let me send you an invite. Ronald, let me check for your name and send you an invite. Alright, Ronald, check. I've sent you an invite. Accept it. Use the identity and replace. Okay. Hello, Ronald. Good morning, Mr. Ronald. You're welcome. God bless us all. Amen. Okay. Okay. Yeah, go on. Just go on. I'm looking for I'm looking for the step you're talking about. Let's say this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, step 1. Okay, okay. Okay, I think I understand what you mean. You mean this should be 1 minus cos x all square, right? Like this? Uh-huh. Okay, that's the shorter method. Uh-huh. Go on. That's the shorter method. Yes, go on. Okay. Yes, this is not okay. This is same thing as saying 1 minus cos x square over 1 over square root of 1 minus cos square x. Okay. 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 Yeah, because of the identity, 1 minus cos x squared. Okay, becomes sin x. Okay. That's a shortcut. That's a shortcut method for Java. Sorry. Yes, sir. Sorry, I had a call. Sorry. Yeah, go on, sir. Okay. All over square root of sine square x, right? Okay. Let me write this here so the viewers will know what we did here. From the identity, 1 minus cos square x is equals to sine square x. Okay, go on. Yes, I've done this one. Alright, go on. Okay, so let me let them know that this is the same thing as saying square root of sine x all square, right? So that the square will cancel the square root, right? Okay, so this becomes 1 minus cos x over sine x. Yeah, over sine x. 1 minus cos x over sine x. Your method is very simple, very short, very very comprehensive. Thank you so much, Mr. Ronald. We are grateful. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. Mr. Hello, yeah, hello audience. Thank you so much. It's nice having you here, okay? Yes. Alright everyone, we can show our appreciation to Mr. Ronald, and if there's any step we don't understand here, can you let me know? Why is okay, Mr. Ronald, somebody has a question here. The person says where is it? Okay, Jennifer is asking, why is there a square root on the denominator? So would you want to answer or I should go on? Okay. Alright. So, Jennifer, I hope you understand what he just explained. Hey, somebody said, okay. Somebody said step 3, not understand. No, Durag body is not indices. Oh. We're not doing indices. Doesn't understand step 3. Which one is the step 3? 1, 2, 3. That's what he just explained. I think that's what you just explained now, the step 3. Somebody is just asking about the step 3. That's what he just explained now. Okay, thank you once more, Mr. Roland. Thank you. Alright, so can we go to the next question? Can you type continue? If you understand that I want us to go to the next question, can you type continue? Type continue. Alright. So let's go to the next one. Mr. Roland, where are you watching from? Are you from Ghana? Okay, thank you. Oh, that's interesting. Do you also run content of education? I said, are you also a content creator on an educational content creator? Oh, okay. Okay. That's interesting. Nice having you here. Oh, okay, really? Alright, thank you so much. Everyone, let's thank Mr. Ronald for his contribution. Thank you. Okay, so we have another question here on this page. Solve an equation for all positive values of theta less than 360 degrees. Okay, so the equation is 3 times theta plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay guys, let's solve and drop our answer in the comment section. Silent body, can you tell me why you want to join? Audience are allowed to join when they want to contribute. Hello, Emmy, you're welcome. Emmy, thank you for the hearts. May God bless you. Thank you for the gifts. Mr. Grema, you are here on my life. You're welcome, sir. You had a dream. What was the dream about? Sir, would you want to tell me in my inbox? Hope you saw me in a Lamborghini in your dream. Mr. Grema, I hope you're still there. Good morning, sir. You're welcome to my life. Alright, everyone. Let's solve this. Drop your answer in the comments. Drop your answer in the comments. Let's do this in 60 seconds. We have 45 seconds more. We have 45 seconds more. Solve the equation for all the positive values of theta less than 360 degrees. So the equation we have 3 tan theta plus 2 is equals to minus 1. Moradi KG. Patrick, thank you. Thank you for the gifts. God bless you. Nikki, thank you for the follow. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Don't forget. Thank you all for your engagement. Diamond, thank you for reposting. Cisco, yes, thank you. I'm waiting for answers. Oh, who wants to help us with this? Yes, it's mass. It's mass. So trig function is what we are doing. Okay, let me shift. Marie KG got B. Okay. The equation is 3 tan theta plus 2 is equals to minus 1. You have to remember your quadrants. You have to remember the signs of the ratio between angle 0 to angle 60 in our quadrants. You remember what they used to teach us in maths? All students take coffee. Can we remember secondary school days? When I was in secondary school, my math teacher taught me something to remember the quadrants. Where is my marker? Oh. My teacher taught me something in secondary school. You know, in the we have how many quadrants? Forget about my circle. We have 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, the second one, this is the third one, and this is the last quadrant, the fourth one. The quadrants are positive. So, for which trigs are positive for each quadrant? There's something my teacher taught me while I was in secondary school. All students take coffee. I will never forget this. All students take coffee. So in the first quadrant, all the trigs are what? All are what? They are positive here in the first one. In the second one, which one is what is S? S stands for what? Sine. So sine is positive here in the second quadrant. Yeah? What is T? The T here is what? Tan. So that means tan is positive here in the third quadrant. Hope this makes sense to you. Hope you find it helpful. Then in the last quadrant, which is the fourth quadrant, C is cos. So cos is positive here. This is for you to remember. In the first quadrant, all are positive. In the second quadrant, only sine is positive. That means tan and cos are negative. In the third quadrant, only tan is positive, meaning that sine and cosine are negative. Then on the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive, meaning that sine and tan are negative. Hope you find this helpful. All students take coffee. Use this. Or use this anytime you remember this in an exam. It will help you to solve a question of this nature. Okay, somebody say ASTC. Okay, that's your own acronym, right? Conscript, you are now making money on crypto, right? That's the way out. Oh, that's the way out. Please don't let maths get hard for you. Maths is not hard. Patrick, thank you for the gifts. God bless you. I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Patrick. I'm grateful. God bless you. Thank you. All students take coffee. Use this to solve this question. Who has the answer correctly? All students take coffee. Femi, you're welcome. If this is your first time, kindly give me a follow. It's a way of supporting me, and please keep tapping on your screen. Don't forget to repost this live. Yes, I love your efforts for teaching. Wow, thank you, Amy. Thank you for your kind gesture too. So let me help us. I've given us one hint here. I will not do everything for us. So let me help us with this next step. This is 3 tan theta is equal to 2 plus 1. So we can say this is minus 1. Then the plus will come to the right hand side and become a minus 2. So we have 3 tan theta is equal to minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Oh yeah, now let's do this from here. Who can tell me from this point, what can I do? I thought the third and the fourth quadrants are negative. No, I'm just giving you the value. If you know the positive ones, then you will know the ones that are negative in each quadrant. Eh? The first quadrant, they are all positive. If in each quadrant, in the second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant, one of them is positive. So if you know the one that is positive, you should know the other two negative ones. So this one is a hint. It helps you. Good. We divide both sides by 3, right? You are all correct. Thank you. So if I decide to divide both sides by 3, 3 cancels 3. I have that tan theta is equal to 3 divided by 3 is 1. We have a negative. This is minus 1. Remember, it says solve the equation for all the positive values. For all the positive values of theta less than 360. So what do? We have tan theta is equal to minus 1. So what do we do here? What do we do here? Where is theta negative? Guys, let's do this together. You guys should talk. What should we do here? We should use the second. We should use Dirac boy says second and the last. Okay. Okay, good. So if tan is negative on the second, so tan is negative here, and tan is negative here. So for the second quadrant, what do we do? For the second quadrant, what do we do? The second and the fourth. Yes, we've all gotten that correctly. We've identified that tan is negative in the second quadrant and in the fourth quadrant, right? We are correct. So what do we do from here? I'm waiting. 180 minus and what again? 180 minus theta, right? And what again? Yes, Big Benny, you are right. 180 minus what? Minus 45. Okay. Can you tell us how you got the 45? Where is the 40? And 360 minus 45. Good. So people don't know where the 45 is coming from. Can you tell them? We are all correct. Good. But who can tell us where the 45 is coming from? We are using 180 minus 45 and 360 minus 45. We are correct. But who can tell us where is this 45 coming from? Okay, Actan. Good. Good. I like it when you guys are responding like this. You see, it makes the class more lively. So since tan theta is equals to minus 1, so theta will be equals to what? Tan inverse of minus 1, and this gives us what? 45. So to get the what? So for the second quadrant, this is going to be 180 minus theta, which is equal to what? 180. This is 180. Okay, 180 minus 45. And we are going to have what? 360 minus theta, which is 360 minus 45. So what are the answers we have? I don't understand it from the beginning. Ekanko. Do you understand how we got the 45 now? You take the tan inverse of negative 1. Okay, Prof said tan inverse of 1. I want to understand what this is. I'm in the comment though. Okay, yeah. Wait. Is it theta is equal to tan inverse of negative 1? But what should be tan inverse of negative 1? What is tan inverse of negative 1 should be what? Should be minus 45, right? I don't intend to argue. No, Prof, you can please come up and help us, Prof. Please, can I send you an invite? Prof, I just sent you an invite. Please kindly accept. Help us out. Emi, thank you for the roses. You have always been a #1 supporter here. I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you. Good morning, Prof. Bibi of Lagos. Welcome. Welcome, sir. Good morning, sir. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. I get it. Yeah. Yes. Okay. The next. Yes. Okay. Yes. I get it. It's clearer now. It's clear. Guys, hope you understand what Prof just explained. So the negative value there guides us for us to know which quadrant we are working with. Thank you so much, sir. That's for the clarity. Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. As usual, I always look up to having you here. Somebody said, "Will I be wrong if I use?" Thank you. Thank you, sir. So, guys, what are the final answers we have? 180 minus 45 and 360 minus 45. What are the final answers? Okay, option A, right? Okay. So we have 135 and 315. Alright. So option A is the correct answer. So to those that got option A, okay. Uh-huh. So please, can you tell them the angles? Uh-huh. 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 Okay. Then this one is alright. Okay guys, hope this is clear enough. Yeah. Hmm. Is negative, yeah. Okay, thank you, Prof. Somebody asked a question, Jennifer, though it's before this. She said on 360 minus 45. She said on 360 minus 45, would I be wrong if I use 270 plus 45? So she's trying to say that in this quadrant here, in the fourth quadrant, that can she okay. she has responded. She said she understood. So thank you once more. Thank you once more, Prof, for the clarity. Okay, but the unit circle, I don't think is part of JAM curriculum, right? I think it's more advanced. It's an advanced math. Yes, it's an advanced math, and you know the target audience is those writing JAM, so we don't get them confused. Because once we go advanced now, the basics. Yes, I'm yes. I'm playing the board. Though, if you want to take a screenshot, please. I'm playing the board. Please do the same. Okay, they said they understand. But we said second and fourth, but we only saw for second. NASA, are you just coming in? We didn't saw for only second. We second. This is for the second we saw. This is the fourth one. Maybe you are just coming in, right? Pablo, thank you for the follow. Please, if you are taking a screenshot, let me know so I can clean the board. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so we have another interesting question here. It says if sine theta is equal to 3 over 2 and theta is less than 90 degrees, calculate tan 90 minus theta over cos squared theta. Okay, let's do this. Drop your answer in the comments. We have 5 options as usual. Okay, if sine theta is equals to root 3 over 2 and theta is less than 90 degrees, calculate the value of tan, open bracket, theta minus 90 over cos squared theta. Let's do this. 60 seconds should be enough, right? Or let me give us 61 seconds in this case. Let's do this in 61 seconds. Our time has started. Guys, keep tapping on your screen so we have a larger audience. The more you tap, the more audience we have. Some people will just see this live somewhere and say, wow, so something like this is going on. And they have no idea. Let them come and gain more knowledge. If this is your first time, kindly tap on your screen, give me a follow, keep tapping, tap, guys, please keep tapping. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. We have 30 seconds more. Sin theta is root 3 over 2. Option C. Okay, Prof has option C. Okay. Hello, Yusuf. Good morning. You're welcome. 5 seconds more. 5 seconds more. Okay, time is up. So let's see. Let's solve this together. Let's share ideas. Let's do this together. So it says sine theta is equal to root 3 over 2. And we know that sine is equal to what? Opposite over hypotenuse, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. Prof, is there a need for me to draw a right angle triangle for this? If I decide to sketch a right angle triangle. Okay. Okay, let me try this one. Thank you. We appreciate your presence all the time here. God bless you. Yeah, I'm real sure. Thank you. Guys, keep tapping on your screen so we have a larger audience. Don't forget. Keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping. Keep tapping so we have a larger audience. Yes, let's move on to the next one. Okay, Michael Gedora will give us some special angles. Okay. Nikhila, you hardly understand maths. Why? Why is that? What happened? Please join my live sessions so you understand better. Maths is not difficult. There's nothing difficult in maths, please. Maths is easy. Maths is fun. Maths is fun. I can't call even you two. What is happening now? Why is maths giving so many people problems like this? What is wrong with this maths? I don't like all this maths is doing to be honest. You see, the thing about maths is just practice. You just have to keep practicing it. Even me myself as a tutor, if I leave the maths for a long period of time, actually if I leave a topic for a period of time, you know that yes, you have the knowledge about it. But believe me, there are one or two things that will just escape your memory that you just need to revise again. That's just how maths operates. Once you leave it for a long period of time, it will leave you too. So you just have to go back again and start revising. So if you leave it, it will leave you. Some of us, the last time we did maths maybe was while we were still in secondary school. So since then, we didn't have any business to do with maths again. Princess Becky, you said, most times I know the formula, but it's difficult to place the values. So that means, Becky, what you mean is you find it difficult to substitute. Is that what you mean? So there are two things involved in this question. We are going to, this is a trig, the question on that trig, but it will also require us to do conversion of degrees to radians. So I will give us that hint on how to convert degrees to radians. So I'm going to give us a hint on how to go about this. 180 degrees trying to remember this conversion, but I will remember. Just start solving. I'm really good at formula, but I can't stop on the road. Hey, yeah, Patrick. But you're doing a great job, oh. You're doing a great job. You're trying. Alright guys, let's solve this. If sine x equals cosine x, we have to find the value of x in radians. So we're going to get our answer, then convert to radians. Please let's do this in 45 seconds. We have 25 seconds more to go. Amy, thank you for the gifts. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the perfume. Thank you. There's 5 seconds more. Yes, who has the answer? Who has the answer? Okay. The answer is 2. Okay. The answer is 2. Is there 2 in the option? Ekanko. There's no 2 in the option, right? Guys, you guys are not tapping again. You forgot to tap. Oh. You guys are not tapping again. So let's do this. Let's do this sharply. This is a very simple question that shouldn't take time. The question says sine x is equal to cosine x. Right? So you say what's the value of x in radians? So what do we do? Can we divide both sides by x? By cos x? So what is sine x divided by cos x? What is sine x divided by cos x? Who will tell me? Sine x divided by cos x is what? Tan x. Thank you, Benny. Alright, thank you. So tan x divided by cos x. Sin x over cos x is tan x. So this is equal to cos x divided by cos x is 1, right? So to get the value for x, this will be equal to what? Tan inverse of 1. So what is tan inverse of 1? What's the tan inverse of 1? Tan inverse of 1, is it 45? Okay, 45, good. So this is 45. But I say this is 45 degrees. So how do I change 45 degrees to right? To radians? How do I change this to radians? What do I have to do? Who can tell me? How do I change 45 degrees to radians? How do I change 45 degrees to radians? Is it 180? 1 radians is Tutor John, he said 180 over 45. Is it just 180 over 45 or 180 pi over 45? I thought it's 180 pi. Please let me know. It's supposed to be 180 or 180 pi. I'm waiting. Oh, please, I need response. Hey. 180 pi, right? Okay. So to check this is going to be 180 pi divided by the value of x, right? In this case. So this is equal to 180 pi over 45. So 180 divided by 45 is what? 4. So this is pi over 4. Option C. Pi over 4. Do we get it? Okay. So 180 pi over x, which is 180 pi. So substitute for the value of x, which is what? 45, right? Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Don't forget, keep tapping, tap, and repost. So do you understand how we got pi over 4? If you understand, kindly type understood in the comments. Kindly type understood in the comments. Sally, thank you for the follow. Type understood in the comment section. Low understanding. Akura, why do you say low understanding? Where is it you don't understand? Tell me the point where you don't understand so I can explain. Akura, what is it you don't understand? We have spent almost 1 hour here, so we have 1 hour more to go. The first step. The question says sin x is equal to cosine x, right? Huh? So what we just did in the first step is to write out the question. Sin x is equal to cos x. What we are looking for now is the value for x. So what do we do to make this have just one trig function? If we decide to divide both sides by cos x, because there's a trig identity that says that what? Sin x over cos x is equal to tan x. This is an identity. That what? Sin x over cos x is equal to tan x. So this is identity we used. So doing that, this gave us tan x. So I know that cos x divided by cos x is 1. It's just like saying if you have 10 divided by 10, that gives us 1, right? So that's why we have cos x divided by cos x as 1. So once our concern is to get the value for x. So if tan x is equals to 1, what will be the value for x? That should be equal to tan inverse of 1. I feel, punch your calculator, tan inverse of 1 is 45, right? So now I want to convert 45 degrees to radians because the question says your answer has to be radians, not degrees. To convert degrees to radians is going to be 180 pi over value for the theta. So in this case, the theta now is the x, so we just substituted. 180 divided by 45 gives me what? Yes, 180 divided by 45 is what? Wait, is this supposed to be 180 over? No, something is not right here. 180 pi over x. Please, can anybody check this for me? It says something is not right there. The last step, that 180 pi over x. Can anybody identify what is not correct there? Something is not right now. What is that? Because if you do 180 divided by 45, that will give us 4, and we have the pi at the numerator. There's a mistake there. The only mistake is that what? The pi is supposed to be at the what? Wait, 180 is supposed to be x over 180. It's supposed to be x over 180 pi. X over 180 pi. If I'm not mistaken, I've been trying to remember this formula. X over 180 pi. Yes, yes, this is supposed to be x. And what's the value for x? 45 over 180. 180 pi. So 45 here is 1. 180 divided by 45 will give me 4. So this is 1 over what? No. Somebody should help me, please. Somebody should remind me. I can't remember. How do we convert degrees to radians? How do we convert degrees to radians? Somebody should just help me out with the formula. I can't remember actually. Somebody should help me out with it. Big T, thank you so much for the ice cream. I appreciate you. Hey, Penabas, you're welcome. Thank you. Penabas, please, I want to convert degree to radians and I can't remember the formula. What's the formula, please? What's the formula, please? Can you remind me? To convert degrees to radians. Mickey says 180 pi. 180 pi. Is it just 180 pi? Is it just 180 pi? To convert degrees to radians. We already have our answer in degrees, but it's just that we are required to leave the answer in radians instead, not in degrees this time around. So how do we convert degrees to radians? Please, now somebody should remind me. How do you get 45? Tan inverse of 1. We've passed that. Tan inverse of 1 is 45. How do we convert degrees to radians? So please, I'm waiting. Somebody should help us out with that. How to convert degrees to radians. Pi divided by 180. R divided by 45. I don't understand. I don't understand. Penamas, please, are you there? Pi radian over 180. Okay. Olayiwaju says pi radian over 180. Okay. So it's going to be pi radian over 180. So in this case now, what will this become? So with this is going to become 45 pi. 45 pi over 180. 45 here is 1. 45 here is 4. So this is equals to pi over 4. Okay, so it's correct. Thank you. Mr. Olayiwaju, thank you so much. Thank you. This was helpful. 45 pi over 180. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for your contribution. Okay, so now we have it. Thank you. Grateful. We are here to share knowledge. Nobody knows it all. Alright, guys. If you understand what you have done now, can we move on to the next one? Can we move on to the next question, please? Kindly type continue in the comment section so we can move on to the next one. Kindly type continue in the comment section. Big T, thank you. Why is it over 180? Is the conversion. If you want to convert radians to pi, degrees to radians, it's going to be pi radians over 180. Okay, so let's go to the next one. degree is equals to A over B. What is sine 90 minus X? Okay. Evangelist Adeyemi, thank you for the follow, sir. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Don't forget, the more you tap, the more audience we have. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Let's go to 50K like before the end of this live today. We are almost at 30. We have spent 2 hours on this live session. We have 1 more hour to go. Sine x degrees is equals to A over B. What's the value for sine open bracket 90 minus X? Let's do this, guys, in 60 seconds. Let's do this in 60 seconds as usual. We do not spend more than 60 seconds on any question. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping on the screen. As Nikila, I say I should continue. Solve now. When you solve. Okay, you say you understand this one. Alright, that's nice. Okay. Solve and tell us the answer in the comments. Nikila, solve. We have 45 seconds more. Seconds more. If you have your answer, drop your answer in the comments. If I may ask, have you engaged yourself with? The answer is B. Some people have C. Icon the Great has C. Benny has B over 1 minus A over B. Who wants to help us with this? Anyone? Who wants to come up and explain? Does anyone want to come up and explain? Let me know in the comments so you send an invite. Hi Sam, thank you for the follow. Who wants to come up? If you want to come up and explain, notify me. Good morning, I want you to see. I think we can work together. Big T, thank you, thank you. Medal, can you send me a DM, even though I don't understand what your message means? Big T, thank you for the gifts. God bless you. Alright, if you want to come and explain, send a request. The first request I see is the one I will accept. Yes, are you in the comments? Okay. I've seen her. Hello. Nikila, thank you for the roses. Okay, you're welcome. Yeah, yeah, we can hear you. Okay, okay, okay. You said right? Which is A over B. Okay. So you said we should cross multiply this. Okay, if you cross multiply, it becomes A is equal to B times sin x degrees, right? Okay, okay, uh-huh, okay. You mean like this? I'll divide both sides by x degrees times B like this. Okay. Are we supposed to divide by? You sure it should just be sine without the x? Is that what you mean? Okay. Okay, let me continue with what you were explaining. Alright, go on. Sine will be A over x degrees times B. Okay. Can you come again? No, sir. I don't think this works this way. No. It doesn't. Yes. It will not work this way. It will not work this way. Yeah, thank you. Alright. Who is coming up next? Because the mass is not massing. Who is coming up next? Let me do it. Who is coming up next? Yes, he was supposed to say side. Okay. Okay. The first request I will see is the one I will accept. Yeah, it seems they are joking, right? Yes, they don't seem that it's so serious. Seems like they are joking. Okay, let me see who I will accept next. The first person is the first. Thing. I can see Amos. Amos is the first person that's on here. Hello, hello, Mr. Amos. Your environment is noisy. Is it possible you move away from there a bit? Hello, Pretty. You're welcome. Hello, Ali. You're welcome. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, it's manageable now. Okay. Yeah, go on. Yes, I can. All right. Uh-huh. can we hear Amos? Or is it from my end? I can't hear him again. Hello? Guys, let me know. Can you still hear him? Or let me know if it's my AirPod that is disconnected. I can't hear him again. Okay, he has left. Who wants to come up? Maybe it's his network. Maybe network. Let me accept TikTok. Maybe he has network issues. TikTok, I've accepted your invite. Can't you accept it? Hello? CEO of TikTok, you're welcome. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, go on. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, go on. Hello, TikTok. Guys, please, do you understand? Can you comprehend what he's saying? Okay, I think he disconnected, right? Okay, let me accept Amos back since he's back. Amos, send in another request. Okay, I've sent you an invite. Amos, are you there? I think Amos has having network challenges. Let's give him a few seconds to come up. All the questions. I want ideas from the audience. Okay. Okay. Amos, are you having issues with your network? Okay, let me search for your name again. Are you open? Can you see? So I accept it. Oh, somebody sent me a cake slice. Wow, Big T, thank you so much. A big supporter of this my page. Thank you so much, Big T. God bless you. I appreciate you. Let me up out, please. Bring up. It seems you are having network issues. Let's allow that person come up. I sincerely appreciate your contribution. Hello, Rashla. Good morning. You're welcome. How are you? All right. Yeah, sure. Yes. Sorry, Queen now. Sorry now, please don't ease now. You know, messages keep coming up and I might not see everybody. Do you understand? Okay, I'll accept you. I'm not ignoring anybody. I don't want anybody to feel ignored, please. Queen, I'll accept you. Sorry. Rashlo, please continue. Nobody should feel bad when you're not allowed to come up here. It's not intentional now. See so many comments dropping. And sometimes I don't see your request. If I don't see it, I can't accept, right? So please don't feel bad. Mr. Rash, sorry, I'm trying to no, it's not easy to deal with so many people. Queen, send in a request. I can't see your request. Rashlo, you can go on. Yes, yes, I'm here. Okay. Sir, just go on. I'll write, just go on. I'm understanding you. I just want to send that Queen a request so he doesn't feel ignored. I don't like when somebody feels that way. I can't even see him here. Or maybe he left. Alright, go on, sir. Go on. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, go on. Yes. Sir? Come again. Okay. Sine sine 90 minus x will be is equals to cos x. Okay, so can you tell us why this is like this? So that the viewers will understand why. Okay. Yeah, go on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, that is Pythagoras rule. Uh-huh. Okay. Go on, sir. Okay. Okay. Is okay. Yes. B squared minus A squared. So we take the square root of both sides, right? So that the adjacent now becomes